Hello, artists! Are you ready to draw another amazing number block? Which number block is this?
Hello.
That's right! We're drawing Numberblock 4!
Hooray!
For Numberblock 4, you'll need a piece of paper, a light green pen, a dark green pen, and a black pen. 4's looking forward to being drawn. We're going to start by drawing Numberblock 4's body, and for that, we'll need 4 blocks. Pick up your black pen, and we'll draw 4's 4 blocks in a square. We'll start with the bottom left block. There are 4 sides, and they're all the same length. Draw 1 across, 1 down, 1 across, and then back to where you started. We need to do this 3 more times so that the blocks are 2 blocks wide and 2 blocks tall.
2 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks. See?
Now we've finished 4's body. The next thing to draw is 4's arms and legs. Arms first. Using your black coloured pen, draw a sausage shape on either side of 4's body. 1 arm.
Ooh.
2 arms. Legs next. We'll draw 2 lovely, strong legs for Numberblock 4. We need 2 little sausage shapes under his body like this. 1 leg, 2 legs. What's next? Yes, it's 4's eyes. His eyes are a rounded square shape. So we'll draw a big square eye on the top left block using our black pen, and then a bigger square shape outside that.
Can you guess what my favourite shape is? That's right, a square!
But the eyes aren't finished till we've drawn a circle inside them. And then we do that all again on the top right block.
Oh, hey! Wow!
We nearly forgot 4's eyebrows. They're square shapes too. 1 little square above his left eye and then another little square next to it. Now the right eyebrow. 1 little square and another little square. Next, 4 needs a lovely big smiley mouth. Draw a nice smiley shape under the eyes. Then let's do it again, but smaller inside. Here's the exciting bit. It's colouring time! Take your light green pen and your other colouring pens and colour in Numberblock 4's body. Be careful to stay inside the lines.
Ooh! Wow! Yay!
But I think there's something missing. Ah, yes! 4's numbering. Am I holding my pen the right way? 2 fingers and 1 thumb. That's the way that writing's done.
Down and right. Off once more. Cross the line. That's a 4.
Thanks, 4. Down and right. Off once more. Cross the line. That's a 4. And now with the left hand. Down and right. Off once more. Cross the line. That's a 4. Yes, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's green and square. He's 4. Oh, yeah. He's 2 tall. He's 2 wide. He's 2 pairs side to side. He's 4 ones in a stack. He's 4 ones on his back. But here's the truth I care to share. He's happiest when he's a square.